The King Lucky Earbuds KL-01 are designed with a unique C-shaped bridge, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit for all ear shapes, making them perfect for prolonged use. These earbuds excel in providing crystal clear call quality thanks to their advanced noise-canceling technology, ensuring clear communication even in windy environments. With an impressive 50 hours of playtime using the charging case and 6 hours on a single charge, these earbuds are built for those who need long-lasting connectivity. The rugged design of these earbuds, complete with IPX4 waterproof protection, makes them ideal companions for any active lifestyle, be it running, cycling, or working out. Their open ear design offers a superior balance of sound quality and safety, allowing users to enjoy high-quality audio while remaining aware of their surroundings. Weighing only 5.3 grams, these earbuds are feather light, providing a pain-free listening experience that is especially comfortable for small ears and glasses wearers.